Tired of that boring default hero header on your Namecheap site? Let's swap it out in under 5 minutes. That big banner at the top of your page is the first thing visitors see, and if it doesn't match your brand, it can make your whole site feel a bit off. So let's fix that right now. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to edit your hero header using Namecheap's website builder. Just follow along. Start by opening your site in the editor. You'll want to head over to your Namecheap dashboard and find the website builder section. Open up the site you're working on. This might take a moment to load, so hang tight. Now, locate the hero section on your page. That's the big, mean banner, usually at the very top with the background image and text. In the editor, you'll see your page laid out visually. Look for the area that says Hero, or just has that big prominent header. It should be pretty obvious. Click the highlighted area to activate editing. You'll know you're in the right spot because a blue outline or a selection box will appear around the Hero section. Just click right on that highlighted area. This tells the builder, hey, I want to work on this part. Proceed by clicking Continue to open the editor. A small pop-up or toolbar will appear. You'll see a button that says Continue or something similar. Give that a click. And here's the really important part. This opens up the full editing panel specifically for your hero header. This is where the magic happens. Now you can change text, images, and layout. So let's get into the fun stuff. You'll see options to change the headline, the subtext, and even the button. Go ahead and type in your own headline, something that really captures what your brand is about. For the background, you can swap out the default stock photo for your own image, or even change the color entirely. And if you want to rearrange things, look for layout options. You might be able to move the text to the left, center it, or put it over a darker overlay so it pops. Play around with it. This is your chance to make it yours. Finally, save your changes and preview the result. Once you're happy with how everything looks, find the Save button. It's usually up in the top right corner. Click it, and then preview your site. You should see your new hero header live, with your own text, your own image, and a layout that actually fits your brand. And that's it. You went from a generic, forgettable header to something that feels like you. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.